Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to disable notifications in the Google Chrome beta browser on your mobile device. Many users find notifications distracting, and turning them off can help you focus. First, open the Google Chrome beta browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three dots icon at the top right. From this menu, find and tap on Settings to continue. After that, scroll down again until you find the Notifications option and tap on it. Finally, locate the Allow Notifications toggle and turn it off to stop receiving notifications from the browser. Once you do this, you will no longer get pop-ups or alerts from Chrome Beta, making your browsing experience cleaner and more peaceful. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.